Mum reckons she knows how the pelicans fly. She's been showing me how the pelicans land on the water. How do they land, Mum?
With their feet.
Hi, I'm Chris, also known as Adonis.
Hi, I'm Zosh, and this is my pet kangaroo.
Hey, I'm Christian. And I'm Stefano.
Welcome to our adventures!
Here we are at the boat ramp on Kangaroo Island, Kingscote, and we're just about to feed the pelicans. Dad's been fishing yesterday and he's bought these fish guts. He's got the fish heads, he's got their gizzards and everything in this bucket, and we're about to feed these guys. They love it, they know we're here, but they don't know what we've got in the car yet. Hey, nicely.
Gentle.
I'm trying to eat my hand.
That's it. That's it. That's it. You know what they're saying? They're saying, me first, me first. Talk to me. Me first.
Good.
Good boy.
That's so big. Yeah, who hasn't got one? Oh my God!
Oh my goodness!
Oh my God! Oh, I'm getting awful on me. Look. Wait. Yeah, go for it, go on.
Oh, that makes a good one. They're going for it now.
Get in there, come on.
Get in there. Good.
No,
First come, first serve.
It's so funny to watch.
He turns around.
Come on, friends. Percival, come on. Hey. Mum reckons she knows how the pelicans fly. She's been showing me how the pelicans land on the water. How do they land, Mum?
With their feet. They just go.
How do they land?